Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. If you enjoy affiliate marketing, making money from home, e-commerce, paid surveys, anything along those lines, be sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way YouTube will notify you of all my new and latest money making videos. Get that done and we can move on. So for this video, we're going to go over 3 really awesome affiliate programs that you can use that are very, very general, meaning a lot of people are going to use them and you don't have to be super niche specific. I get that usually when it comes to any type of affiliate marketing, the more niche, the better. But if you're a general purpose type of affiliate marketer and you're kind of just want something to market, these are 3 awesome ways to do that and 3 ways you could actually make good money every month as long as you have a traffic source. If you want to know how to build a traffic source, comment down below in the comment section and I will make a video on that topic for you guys because I want to see you guys succeed in the digital marketing world. Let's get into it. Firstly is NordVPN, and really any VPN service. So I'm just using NordVPN as an example, but any VPN service is a great affiliate product, and here's why. 2 words: passive income. Most affiliate programs for VPNs will pay you every month that someone subscribed under your link. So let's say you have a link and you get a couple people under that link. You make money every month that they're subscribed. So you're getting a portion, usually it'll be like 20% of their bill every month. So it's a subscription service, and I love things that are subscription services because they bring passive income every month versus, all right, yeah, it's nice to get a good amount up front, but having a nice income every month that could last years. Most VPNs are like that, most of them, because they're usually very cheap, $5 to $10 a month. Someone does them and they set it and forget it, and now you're making money for years to come. There's NordVPN, there's ExpressVPN, there's a couple other ones that I've used in the past, but really look for any VPN affiliate program and they have some tremendous opportunity for you. Next up is Robinhood's affiliate program. So their affiliate program is a bit different. It doesn't actually pay you cash. It gives you a free stock. Every time you refer someone under your Robinhood link, you get a free stock. I have a free stock link. Link is in the description if you want to get it. If you're looking to start investing, check out my link. You'll get a free stock and I'll get a free stock. But if you already have a Robinhood or maybe you don't know about their affiliate program, it's very neat. You could actually get up to like a $200 stock. I one time got Facebook stock, which is like $150 at the time, and it's really awesome. Most of the time though, you do only get like a $5 to $10 stock. However, it doesn't cost anything, right? Affiliate programs that don't cost anything for the user usually will convert very well, okay? That's the simple logic, because most people are going to like a free product more than a paid product, okay? And so if you have a free product to offer that brings you money, that's great. And Robinhood, again, is great because you'll get free stocks every referral you get. I've probably made at least $500 just in referrals through my referral system. Again, link is in the description, and it's just a great program. And again, it's great for if you have any type of audience that's over 18. Anyone over 18, if you're trying to do gaming stuff and things that are geared more towards like high school to like early 20s, maybe not so much, but definitely if you have an older audience, definitely look for Robinhood. Last up is Clickbank. Clickbank isn't an actual affiliate product. What it is, it's a marketplace where you could find awesome products to sell. I'm gonna be honest, there's a lot of crappy products on here, but there's a lot of really great products. Now, the way you wanna do it, and I'll be honest with you, is you want to search by gravity score, okay? What the gravity score is how much of that particular product has sold in the past month. So you can see right here, the Cinderella solution. It's a weight loss, something related to weight loss. Brings you about $33 per average sale, has a 315 gravity score. That means that a lot of people sold it in the past month. That's the best way to do it. If it has a low gravity score, anything under like 100 for gravity score, I would avoid it because it means it's not converting well. If you have a high gravity score on the product, that's the score right here. You can filter right by it, right? You could filter and find the products with the best gravity score. That way you have the highest conversion. Gravity score is just how high is the conversion, how many have sold in the past month. But I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, again, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you next time and have a great day.